Do you dream of having conversations with native speakers without hesitation? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore practical tips and strategies to help you improve your English speaking skills quickly. Let's get started. Why is English speaking important? English is a global language used in many countries for communication. Being able to speak English well can help you travel without language barriers, improve your job opportunities, boost your confidence in international settings, make it easier to learn from English resources like books, movies, and courses. Now that we understand why speaking English is important, let's learn how to improve your speaking skills. 1. Speak every day. The best way to improve your speaking skills is to practice every day. You don't need to wait for the perfect time. Speak as much as you can, even if it's just a few minutes daily. How to practice daily speaking. Talk to yourself. Speak in front of a mirror or record your voice. This helps you practice without feeling shy. Join a conversation group. Find people who are also learning English and practice speaking with them. Use your phone. Talk to a voice assistant like Siri or Google Assistant. You can ask questions or give commands in English. 2. Learn common phrases and sentences. When speaking English, it's not just about knowing words. It's also about using phrases and sentences correctly. Start by learning phrases that are used in daily conversations. Examples of useful phrases. Greetings. How are you? Or, nice to meet you. Asking for help. Can you help me? Or, where is the nearest bus stop? Expressing opinions. I think this is great. Or, in my opinion, it's better to wait. By practicing these phrases, you will feel more confident in real conversations. Listen and repeat. Listening is a key part of improving your speaking skills. When you listen to how native speakers talk, you can learn their pronunciation, tone, and word usage. How to practice listening and repeating. Watch movies or TV shows. Choose programs with subtitles. Listen carefully and repeat the sentences. Listen to podcasts. Find beginner-level English podcasts and repeat what you hear. Sing along to songs. Pick English songs you like and sing along. This helps improve your pronunciation. 4. Build your vocabulary. The more words you know, the easier it is to express yourself. Focus on learning new words daily and using them in sentences. How to learn vocabulary quickly. Use flashcards. Write the word on one side and the meaning on the other. Learn word groups. Study words related to a specific topic, like food, travel, or shopping. Practice writing. Write short sentences or paragraphs using new words. 5. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Many learners feel scared to speak English because they think they will make mistakes. Remember, making mistakes is part of learning. Why mistakes are good? They show that you are trying. You can learn and improve from them. People are usually kind and will help correct you. How to overcome fear. Focus on communication, not perfection. Laugh at your mistakes and keep going. Remind yourself that even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. 6. Find a speaking partner. Having someone to talk to makes practicing English more fun and effective. A speaking partner can be a friend who also wants to learn English, a language exchange partner who wants to learn your language, a teacher or tutor. Tips for practicing with a partner. Choose topics to discuss, such as hobbies, travel, or food. Take turns asking and answering questions. Correct each other's mistakes in a friendly way. 7. Use online resources. The internet is full of resources that can help you practice speaking English. Some of the most popular tools include language apps. Apps like Duolingo, HelloTalk, and Babbel help with speaking and pronunciation. YouTube videos. Search for videos on English speaking tips and practice. Speaking practice. Websites. Platforms like italki and Preply connect you with tutors. 8. Focus on pronunciation. Good pronunciation makes your English easier to understand. Practice the correct sounds and intonation of words. How to improve pronunciation. Listen to native speakers. Pay attention to how they say words and try to copy them. Practice tongue twisters. These help with clarity and speed. For example, she sells seashells by the seashore. Use pronunciation apps. Tools like Elsa Speak and Forvo are great for learning pronunciation. 9. Practice in real-life situations. The best way to improve quickly is to use English in real-life situations. This gives you confidence and helps you learn practical vocabulary. Where to practice. Shopping. Ask for items in English at stores. Traveling. Talk to people at airports, hotels, or tourist spots. Work or school. Speak English with colleagues or classmates. 10. Set goals. Setting clear goals helps you stay motivated. For example, speak for 10 minutes in English every day. Learn 5 new words each day. Have a full conversation in English once a week. 11. Record yourself. Recording yourself is a great way to check your progress. Listen to your recordings to find areas for improvement. What to record? Read a short story or article aloud. Record your daily routine in English. Practice answering common questions such as "What do you do?" or "What are your hobbies?" 12. Take English classes. If you need extra help, joining a class is a good option. An English teacher can guide you and provide feedback. Types of classes. Online classes. Flexible and convenient for busy schedules. Local language schools. Offer group or private lessons. Conversation clubs. Focus on speaking practice with others. 13. Think in English. One secret to speaking English fluently is to think in English. This reduces the time it takes to translate sentences from your native language. How to practice thinking in English. Describe what you see around you in English. Plan your day in English. Replace simple thoughts with English words. 14. Learn grammar for speaking. While you don't need perfect grammar to start speaking, learning basic grammar rules helps you form correct sentences. Important grammar topics. Verb tenses, past, present, future. Question forms. Where are you going? Preposition, on the table, at the park. 15. Reward yourself. Learning English is a journey. Celebrate your progress to stay motivated. For example, watch an English movie without subtitles. Order food in English at a restaurant. Treat yourself after achieving a goal. Conclusion. Improving your English speaking skills quickly is possible with regular practice, the right tools, and a positive mindset. Remember, the key is to stay consistent and not give up. Start speaking today, and you'll see progress sooner than you think. Happy learning!